Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to do She-Ra Princess of Power. And today we're going to be using two different eyeshadow palettes. We're going to be using the Ucanbe Splash Candies palette. We're going to be using this palette. And we're also going to be using the Sun-Kissed Profusion palettes. So we're pulling a couple colors from out of here, and so we're going to go on and set under the eye. I already have done the foundation. This is the foundation I use, already concealed, and this is the concealer I used. So we're going to go on and do that. And we're just going to just set under the eye. And if you hear some voices in the background, I have She-Ra Princess of Power on because I decided this late to go on and do this video because I might won't have a chance to do it this morning and things. So we're gonna go on and do this. But I hope everybody is having a good night. I know I am, and like I said, I will list everything I use and stuff. So we're gonna take the Tarte Shape tape and what I do is I do a dabbing motion. And yeah, we're doing She-Ra Princess of Power tonight. And let me get my brush. This is a method I do to my lids, for I won't have to do a tapping motion. And stuff. So let me pull out the brushes I will need. And here we go. So these are all the brushes I will be using. So we're going to start with this palette. And the character I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing Queen Angela. She is Glimmer's mother from She-Ra Princess of Power. That's because I have the show on. So yeah, so we're going to be going into this one. And we're going to go in this middle color right here, this beautiful soft pinky color right there. And that's the first color we're going to go in with. And like I'm saying, and I'm just blending it in a little bit in the crease. And I'm tapping it a bit before I can do it. And so I'm going to give you a little bit of insight. So Queen Angela is the queen of Bright Moon. She is also Glimmer's mom. Glimmer does have a dad. His name is King Micah. And they're the rulers of, and she has these beautiful abilities. She, her powers come from the Philian moons. And that's how the how she can defend Castle Bright Moon. Okay. It's turning out pretty. It's turning out great right here. So actually, I won't have to use the other palette. I can use a color out of here. Nude color. So the next color. So the next color, we're just going to lay down. We're gonna lay it down on the lid. Is this beautiful blue color right here. And we're just gonna put it on the lid. And then it's a little bit on the darker side, but yeah, it'll work. And it's a matte color. So her colors are pink and like a periwinkle like blue. But this is going to be the only color that's going to come a little closer to it. And so the next thing is we're going to take this brush and we're just going to blend it together and stuff. It has turned out pretty. I like it. So the next, we're gonna take this brush and then we're gonna have this, it looks like a whitey silver color right here. And that's a color we're gonna put in the tear duct and in the crease. So we're going to start with the crease and we're just going to, in the brow bone, excuse me y'all. We're going to go over with another color as well, so I'm not trying to do too much. Anything, but like I said, she gets her powers from the Phillium moons, and this is turning out real good. And she's the like I said, she's the queen of the Crystal Castle, and she used to be, when it's an episode, you get to know her a little bit more when you oh my God, what is this guy name? Oh my God, it's on the tip of my tongue, y'all. I do this. I actually am liking the look. So, yeah. So we're just gonna take this brush right here and we're just gonna, and this color supposed to represent her wings and stuff because of her color and stuff. So I was doing mostly her colors of her clothes, and her her clothes is like pink and sort of like this like periwinkle blue. This is going to be our closest to a periwinkle blue. We're going to get periwinkle blue, powder blue, and stuff. But yeah. So we're through with this color, and let me. So we're going to, not in this palette, it's another palette. It's in the Spotlight palette. So yeah. Let me get this out, open it out, before we can finish it up. I mean, we're almost through. And we're going to take this color right here, just a good amount. And we're just going to just put that on the tip. I mean, I'm just putting it on the tip. And Okay, so now we're finna get ready to work the tear duct. And we're just going to just be working the tear duct right quick. And alright, and we're through with that. And so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this powder right here, one of my favorite powders, and we're gonna take my powder brush and we're just gonna finish it up. But yeah, like I said, she's like the queen of Bright Moon. She has her, like I said, her powers is connected to the Phillian moons. And she's actually married. She's the only character in the series that is married. But her husband was kidnapped and stuff. And it's an episode on this particular one that I am watching where her husband do return from being at Horde World. He knows what they're dealing with, and so yeah. Okay, so the next thing is we're going to take our highlights, and be in honor of her powers being connected to the Phillian moons, we're going to take the moonstone from this palette, and actually that's so funny because this palette has a color called moonstone. The moonstone that helps with a power with glimmer and her mother's power is also the same thing, the moonstone. So it makes a perfect sense not to. All right. Not much, but we're going to take that same powder brush and we're just going to do this. Okay. Okay, we're going to need that when I get through. So the blush we're using is the LA Colors LA Rouge in Boris Pink. It's Boris is sort of like a nudie pink, but yeah. Okay. So we're gonna take and go on and do the brows before we do the lips, and we're just going to just do my brows a bit. I don't use a brow pencil, so I use mostly brow gel. So yeah, I'm gonna come back with that same brow pencil. And I think this is in brown. And what I'm doing, I'm going on the barricade of my brow and going up. There we go. So as we waiting, and that is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. So yeah, so we're gonna go back with this. And we're going to take the lipstick, and I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Last liquid catsuit, and we're going to use the color Chic Got Real. So it's a pretty color. It's kind of only like kind of pinky color I have. So we're gonna be very light hand, try to be very light handed with it. And that's it. That is the look. And for me to finish off the look, I'll go in with this just to finish up where I need to finish up at. And that's it. This is it. That's it for this look. But like I said, Queen Angela, yeah, she's the only character that is married on the series. Her powers is very unknown, but she is the only one that can get them. Like if they gotta go to another world, she's the only one they can go to. Or Shira can go to, Shira, aka Adora, can go to Light Hope. So I do have a Light Hope one. So I just think this look ended up turning out very great. I will take some pictures and think I will list the palettes I use. So I end up, for y'all forget, end up using a color out of the Spotlight palette, and I end up using this palette. So if you like what you see and you like this channel, I do more other videos. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.